Hi, welcome to this video for the Core 2 Practice Paper 1, Question 1. I've made this paper for AQA, but it's suitable for other exam boards, and you can find the link to the actual paper below if you've come to the video before having the paper. So in question 1, what it's asking us to do is to look at some logs. It says, given that 2 log base 3 of x minus 5 minus log of base 3 2x minus 13 equals 1, and therefore show that, and then we've got some sort of quadratic here. Okay, so if we're going to go about solving this, or in fact showing that it's equal to something else, we're going to have to do a bit of log manipulation. Let's get all this tidied up as best we can. So let's look at the first part. We've got 2 log base 3 x minus 5. Can we write that in a different way? Let's try. So let's think we've got log base 3 x minus 5. There was previously a 2 in front of it. That is the same as having this part here squared. So let's turn that into a squared. What else can we do? Well, we can also see that this was minus log of base 3 of something. And remember, if you've got a log with a base here and the same base and it's minus, we can divide. So this is the same as writing all of this divided by 2x minus 13. Okay, so we've got it slightly tidier. Let's just make sure we still equal this to 1. Okay, so we've got it slightly tidy in one step. We can now see that we've got just a single log now, whereas before we had 2. What we can now start thinking about is what this can be in order to eliminate our logs here. Now, I could write this in a slightly different way if you wanted to. I'll do it over on the side. What can I do to have log of base 3 of something equals 1? Now, what this means is the base here, 3 to the power of 1, is equal to this. So let me just write these things down that I've just been saying. Log of base 3 of something equals 1. Or I could write 3 to the power of 1 equals x. So all I'm really doing here is just suggesting that this here, everything I'm just going to put in a big orange bracket here, has got to be 3. It can't be anything else. The reason it's got to be 3 is that log of base 3 of 3 is 1. So I can go to the next step and now just write x minus 5 squared divided by 2x minus 13 is equal to 3. And I can put 3 to the power of 1 if we like. So we're just kind of showing what we've done here. Okay, right, now we can start to tidy it up a little bit more. And we've just got our normal algebra now. So x minus 5 squared equals 3 lots of 2x minus 13. Start expanding my brackets out. I'm going to start running out of space soon, but we'll keep going. X minus 5 squared equals 6x minus 39. Let's just check what it is we're looking for. Okay, so I'm just looking back at the question. I'm noticing here that my equals 0 is over here, so I can get all of this on the right hand side over to the left. I'll expand this pair of brackets out first. So we've got x squared minus 10x plus 25, and then that's equal to 6x minus 39. Bring my terms across, x squared minus 16x plus 64 equals 0. And that's what they were looking for, as required. Okay, so we've done the first part. We've taken this log, we've done some log manipulation on it here. Okay, so we've remembered that the 2 becomes a squared. We've remembered that minus is the same as dividing. So I've now got a single log in base 3. We've then decided that what this means is 3 to the power of 1 is equal to this. And we've done that here. And then we've tidied it up and we've worked out that we've got this quadratic here. Okay, right, next. It now says hence or otherwise solve this. Now, before I do anything else, I'm just going to check that this log is exactly the same as in the first question. Yes, it is. So we're solving it. Now, we've actually worked out something here. It actually asked us to show that. So rather than working out this, we could work out the equivalent values here. That's got to be easier. So let's do that. So what we've got is x squared minus 16x plus 64 equals 0. Let's see if we can factorise it. Let's have a think. So we've got x, oh, I can have minus 8 and minus 8. So in that case then, x equals 8. Easy. Okay. Just checking there, make sure I've done everything else. Solve that. Yeah, I've done that. We've worked out what x is, and that's what solving means. Okay. So, if you're taking revision card notes, this is a good time to do it. If you're thinking of using logs or you're not sure what it is that you've been asked to do a little bit of log manipulation first. The rules on the left hand side are key. You need to learn these. Okay, so we used this one and we used this one here. We've also used this one. Let's see which one. You've also used this one here where we had n and a number in front of our log, which is the same as a power. Okay, this is key. You must learn these. You don't need to know what numbers they are, but these are the rules that you've got to learn. Okay. Second trick to this question was the second part when it talks about hence. It just means use all the working out that you've just done. Okay. So hopefully you didn't find that question too difficult. If you did, the key to it is with the log laws. Okay, good luck, and I'll talk to you again soon when you look at some of the further videos. Okay, cheers, bye.